The hospitality industry includes hotels, resorts, restaurants, and other services that focus on guest satisfaction. It's all about making people feel welcome, comfortable, and cared for whether they're dining, staying, or simply visiting. Ano nga bang mga binibigay na service ng hospitality management at hospitality industry sa mga customers and guests na nagta-travel sa iba't ibang bansa? Isa service-oriented. Customer satisfaction is everything. From warm greetings to personalized care. Kailangan natin silang i-greet lalo na sa umaga, sa tanghali, sa gabi. Because our goal is to exceed guest expectations. Guys, yan ang unang binibigay. Yan ang mga binibigay na service ng hotel industry. 2. Intangible products. When we say intangible products is ito yung hindi natin nahawakan, guys. Pero nafi-feel natin siya. Intangible products are goods or services that cannot be touched, stored, or physically possessed. Instead of physical item, the consumers receive a benefit or experience. Like for example, ng intangible products, hotel stay, guys. You pay for comfort, service, and experience, not a physical product. You can touch a good experience, but you will remember how it made you feel. And last, number 3, 24/7 operations. Night shift staff, early breakfast service, hotel lights at night. Hospitality doesn't sleep, guys. Yung mga staff, di sila natutulog. It operates 24/7, 365 days a year, guys. Isipin yun, 24/7 silang gising, tas magdamag silang nakatayo, mag-offered ng mga products, ganun, guys. Staff work around the clock to make sure guests are served anytime, anywhere. Hi guys, thank you for watching this video. Hopefully may natutunan kayo sa araw na ito. Bye bye!